1.8 TFT SPI 128 by 160 version 1.1.
Perfect.
So I'm currently at the gas station, but about to go pick up my friend Jeremy. And today we're gonna build a guitar pedal. I think it'll mostly be him soldering and stuff, but I'm gonna be there to assist and guide if he needs any help with electronic components and stuff. Should be fun. First pedal. We're about to tackle the first pedal and see how this goes. All right, so get all the parts laid out.
Perfect.
Cool. Dig it.
Perfect.
Red. Pretty awesome. We're gonna get it to focus.
Perfect. Perfect.
Let's goo it up.
Nice.
Really enjoying this.
Perfect.
So Rogue One is about the rebels who like stole the plans to destroy the Death Star, and that was a thing in the original Star Wars. Like R2-D2 and C-3PO, like shot out of that spacecraft that was getting taken over by Darth Vader and landed on the desert planet Tatooine. Fate has it that's where Luke has been like in hiding, and Obi-Wan has been like watching over him in secret. And so yeah, she was like, take this to Obi-Wan Kenobi, like he'll know what to do. You know, he's been like watching Luke. And so that's how it like all starts. And they get captured by like these kind of like junk selling species and then end up in Luke's possession because they're farmers and they buy like droids.
I remember that scene.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, I'm on the mounting to the enclosure part.
So Jeremy got pretty far on the pedal. I think it's pretty much done. We just have to finish up a couple of the connections that involve actually going through the housing. So first we have to paint the housing, but I don't have the right pigment color that he wants. So we're gonna go to Forest Pigments, which is in Industrial Northwest in Portland, and see if we can find a color. So we're back from forest powder coatings, or technical coatings. They only had white in stock, so we're just gonna end up using some existing colors that I have and see how that goes. First off, we're going to sandblast this thing. All right, got the vacuum connected to the sandblaster and also the mini compressor. All I have to do is turn that on, turn the vacuum on, start blasting. So we have the pedal hooked up here. It has a negative lead going down through it. Because like all this is metal, when Jeremy presses the trigger here, it's going to send a positive electrical charge through the gun, positively charge the paint pigments that get pressurized through from the air compressor out of the gun, and then that's going to stick to the negative side of the pedal. We hit it with another even coat. So right now we're just fitting the 9-volt plug inside of there. Soldered a couple wires onto it.
This is a little confusing.
Pots and the LEDs are in. Moving on to the foot switch and the outputs and inputs. Another finicky part is hooking up this foot switch.
Okay.
Alright, first test. See if it actually lights up. No?
No.
Alright, we got it plugged in.
Alright.
Oh!